What can you see in a day at the cruise port in Olden, Norway? First of all, you should wake up early to enjoy the views as you travel for 66 miles along the Olden River through Nordfjorden. Olden has room for one cruise ship to dock, and the Queen Mary 2 was already there. So we anchored and tendered a short distance to the pier. Olden is a small town. There's not a lot of shops and restaurants, but the views are beautiful. The lake is so clear and stunning. There's no need to book an overpriced excursion through the cruise line. They have a lot of great options waiting for you. All the prices are in Norwegian krone that can be paid by credit card. The prices range from $30 to $90 US. A very popular choice is Briksdal Glacier. It's a 45-minute bus ride with some time to explore, hike, and see waterfalls and beautiful views. They also have a bus tour and a train tour. We chose the Loen Skylift. The shuttle bus is available every half hour and takes you 6 kilometers to Loen. The Skylift is the steepest cable car in the world. The views from the top are amazing. When we first arrived, it was a little foggy, but it cleared up towards the end of our visit. At the top is a gift shop, cafe, and restaurant with great views. It was cold and windy up there, so make sure you dress in layers with gloves and hats. We saw paragliders run off the cliff and sail down the mountainside. We went into the cafe to try some local beers instead. It was so cute and cozy in the bar area. They have the coolest fireplace that I've ever seen. They have seating outside, but it seems a little too cold to sit out there. The restaurant is pretty large and has a clever stacked seating arrangement, so everyone can enjoy the view. You can stay as long as you'd like, but of course you need to make sure you're back to the ship on time. We headed back and checked out the shops near the dock and had some snacks and beverages at a pub. The great thing about Norway is they have a lot of great options to choose once you arrive at the port. So based on the weather and what you feel like doing that day, you can decide when you get there. And it's a lot cheaper than booking the cruise excursions. Please subscribe for more travel tips and tours. Cheers!